Hey y'all, so Miss Katie is getting ready to make a video and she's standing over here in front of the fan to cool off before she does it. Hey!
Oh, master. Scared me. I can't hear over the fan. I can't hear over the fan. I'm getting ready before I make the video. I gotta turn the fan off.
Okay.
Hey y'all, it's Miss Katie. Welcome to Heritage Ways. I'm going to talk to you today about this dehydrator that I got in the mail. Just ordered it, and I'll tell you all about it. We're going to unbox it, and I've also got two other products I want to tell you about today. Okay, just FYI, if you're curious, I'm making this in the cafe of the camp where we currently live. I'm Miss Katie, like I said. This is Heritage Ways, where we honor home, celebrate heritage, and spread hope. A lot of us are getting ready to, well, we're just getting ready. We don't know what for. You know what I mean? And I've got a dehydrator in storage back in our Tennessee area. Most everything I have is in storage. I didn't expect things to happen in the world that are happening now, so I didn't know that I'd need all those things. But I decided it was probably cheaper to go ahead and get myself another dehydrator than drive to Tennessee and get it out of storage. So I'm going to tell you where I got it from and how much it cost. I did some research. The one I have at home is an Excalibur, and I think it's a 9-drawer. And I love that thing. It's not fancy. I don't think it's fancy. It's just got a dial. It's not digital. One day when I get it out of storage, I will compare that one to this one and let y'all know. But why did I get a dehydrator anyway? Well, we currently still live in the RV. We're in the process of finding a house. But I've just been pert near panicking, because I'm thinking, what can I do? My friends are canning. I know how to can, but I don't have my canners or the produce or the space or the, you know, I don't have those resources right now. And so I thought, well, what can a person in my situation do? I'm not the only one in my situation. Maybe in an apartment, maybe in an RV, maybe in a very tiny home or what have you. And I woke up one morning about a week ago, and I thought, I can dehydrate food. That's something I can do. So I did the research, and this did have high ratings. Like I said, I love my Excalibur, but I have that at home. So there wasn't any point in having two of them, plus they're a little more expensive. I did buy my Excalibur used for $50 from a lady who was moving years ago, and I love that thing. I think I might have that. I know I'm using it in some of my videos, older videos from the former farmhouse. Specifically the playlist that says What's Cooking in Katie's Kitchen, or What's Stewing and Brewing in Miss Katie's Kitchen. Okay, I got it, and I compared prices on the internet too, but I got it kitchen, KITCHN.com, I want to say, or .shop, that's what it is, KITCHN.shop, but then it sent me to like an independent seller, and the seller's name, quite frankly, sounded sketchy, and I was even wondered if I would get it because it sounded a little bit sketchy. I'm not going to say, because it wasn't sketchy after all, and it cost $114.99. This is a 4 tray. We're going to open it up, and then in another video, I'm going to go ahead and dehydrate some vegetables and fruits and anything I can dehydrate, and we'll do that in another video. Now, real quick, before I open this, and by the way, there is not I'm not advertising, none of this is sponsored. You know, we're not Amazon affiliates anymore, so we are in no way benefiting financially from sharing these things with you. If you'd like to support us, there are other ways to do that, and primarily is Patreon at this point. And we're thankful for, I think we have 24 patrons right now who are receiving extra content. And so I love providing that to them. But real quick, I want to show you this, y'all. It is summertime. And I want to tell you about my friend Sis. Now, she's been in several videos, and she makes these beauty products or body products and called Amazing Grace. Is her line of products, and this is the hydrating whole body spray, and I just love this. We had this in Florida, and I love this rehydrating spray. So if you'll go to Kadesh Farm on Instagram, and I think she's on Facebook, tell Sis, I call her Sis. Her name is Tiffany. I started calling her Sis, and now that's the name she uses on Instagram, and some of y'all call her Sis. But tell Sis that Miss Katie sent you. And then this is just something new I'm sharing with you. I don't know how it works yet or how well it's going to work. I'm pleased so far, but it wasn't cheap. So I'm trying to find sources of healthy water. I'm actually researching a Berkey for our next house. Now, those things are not cheap. And then you have to buy the refills. But there comes Mr. Patient. He went up to the RV to turn my crock pot off because I've got yogurt making up there. I'm trying to find sources of, or ways we can have good, healthy water. So yeah, I mean, even if the water source, city water, stopped for whatever reason. But I bought this at the health food store yesterday. Someday I'm going to tell you in a video about the health food store, Dr. Jocelyn, and the market. But it's got this little, do you call it an ionizer? I'm not sure what you call it, but it's a metal stick. And you put the water in, and this is a PBA free, and all kinds of, positive things about I wish I had the paper to read, but positive things about the plastic. But it's mineralized alkaline water, and the brand is Santevia, and it's from Canada. When Little Miss Homemaker saw it, she said, I wonder if Miss Christina in Canada uses one. But it also has this little metal thing, and you put the metal thing in there, and you put the water in there, and you shake it for 30 seconds. And it's supposed to alkalinize, say that fast 3 times, your water and raise your pH level. So I just thought I'd share that. If I really love it, I'll talk to you a little more about it later in another video. All right, let's open this up. See if I can give you plenty of room to see here. All right. And I think this is a 4-drawer. And also I like the fact that you can add drawers to it. The drawers. I like that it has the thermometer because I want to be able to put it on. All my foods I've ever done was on 105 degrees because that did not kill the healthy and vital enzymes that were in the food. So I wanted to be able to control the temperature. And it's made in USA, of US and global components. So I did my best to shop local, shop small, shop local, shop American made. All right, so here it comes. Here it is with the trays. All right, and so this is I'm assuming that's probably the, what do you call it? Like the fruit, any liquid, like if you're making fruit roll-up type stuff. Okay, now this, I've never used one of these, but I have used a mesh screen that's plastic. It's not mesh. But that would be for like jerky or, yeah, I would say jerky. So it's got these stackable trays, and you can buy more, which I like that idea of doing. All right, it's got some jerky cure and some more jerky stuff that I probably won't use if it's got, depending on the ingredients. All right, and then it comes with the book, Dehydrator accessories. All right, removable mesh screens, Made of high quality food grade plastic, ideal for sticky fruits and small items like herbs and spices. So that would be this. Fruit roll sheet, that's the word I was looking for a while ago. I've never made fruit roll-ups, but I might. And then it's got the jerky stuff, and then like it says in here, you can buy more trays and stack them. And it has different models. So this model, let's see if I can, this is the Garden Master Digital Food Dehydrator. Comes from Wisconsin, it says. All right, and there's your bottom piece. It has a 1,000-watt power head with a top-mounted fan. Let's see if I can get the model number here in a minute. I like the handle. Alright, so, wow, I still don't see the model number. Mr. Patient, where's the model number going to be?
Should be on the box. Find the barcode.
Barcode?
Find the barcode. It should be near the barcode.
Oh, thank you, sir. FD 1040. See, he's helpful in more ways than one. FD 1040 is the barcode. So see, we've got digital, which I kind of didn't want digital, but most of them had it. Food dehydrator and jerky maker. I did see in some places it just called it a jerky maker, or that might have been a different one altogether. Fruits and vegetables, nuts, seeds, herbs, spices, jerky, meats, and fish. It gives recommended temperatures. Like I said, I've dehydrated for probably 12 or more years, and I've always done it at 105 degrees. So it's got the display, the up and down buttons, start, stop, time, temperature. Convergiflow system provides even heat distribution. This will expand up to 20 trays, and I don't know the price of additional trays, but this is enough to get me started. That is the unboxing of the Made in America Nesco Garden Master Digital Food Dehydrator and Jerky Maker. So we will be using it very soon and bringing you along for that. I hope you have a great day, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.